Microsoft Word provides lots of tools to help us spell check our documents. But in this lesson, we're going to focus on one very useful feature: check spelling as you type. Let's type something in our document and spell a word incorrectly. For example, I'll type welcome with 2 E's. As soon as I press the spacebar, you'll notice that the word gets a red squiggly underline. That tells me I made a spelling error. The quickest way to fix this is to hover your mouse over the word, right-click, and look at the spelling menu. Here, you'll see a list of alternatives. I can see the correct spelling, welcome. Click it, and the word is corrected automatically. So, check spelling as you type is extremely useful. It also checks grammar as you type. Let's try another example. Type this sentence: "Welcome to a Microsoft Word course." That's not a well-constructed sentence, and you'll see a blue double underline under the word "in." That indicates a grammar error. Again, right-click the word, and you'll see grammar suggestions. In this case, it suggests using a instead of an. If I choose that, my sentence becomes "Welcome to a Microsoft Word course." Much better. So, this feature checks both spelling and grammar as you type. But what if this isn't working for you? If misspelled words are not being flagged, you need to check the settings. Here's how. Go to File, then scroll down to Options. In Word Options, click Proofing. This is where you'll find everything related to spell check. Look for the section when correcting spelling and grammar in Word. Make sure you have these 2 boxes checked. Check spelling as you type. Mark grammar errors as you type. If either of these is unchecked, the feature won't work. Once they're selected, click OK, and you're all set. That's all there is to checking spelling as you type, a really helpful feature to keep your documents error-free.